Use protection. I'm not about to go balls deep. I wish I was doing that right here.
Well, you were recording like underage girls, you know, and they weren't. Your audience is saying, "Oh, well, they were showing too much." Shorts is not showing too much. I wear shorts.
I don't know how old that girl was. I walked up behind her. I didn't ask for her ID. What are you talking about?
And then the other lady, you were like saying something like, "Oh, but I go balls deep in that." She heard you.
No, she didn't.
Yeah,
She has no goddamn idea what I'm talking about. You know, Em, if you can't handle the channel, you should be on the channel. This is an adult male channel. This is what I do. This is what I say. Things can get that way frequently.
And I wear the
No,
same
how do
thing
you know
wear.
they were your age? All you see was a butt. How do you know?
Saw their face,
No, you didn't see their face because I didn't show it. I showed their butt. You don't like it, don't watch, period. Emily's all butthurt because I showed a couple girls' butts in Walmart. She's like, yeah, they're like my age, Dad. I'm like, what? I didn't even see the girl's face. There's two girls like walking down an aisle. I'm like, hey, look at that.
Perving out, are ya?
Doing my thing. Pervalicious. Just call me Mr. Pervalicious. Shit, I guess I gotta remove Emily as moderator now, because she can't handle the content.
Well, you could improve the content.
What? I'm not modifying the content. This is Guy's channel. Wait till I get to Southeast Asia. She's gonna be like mind blown. Oh my god, Dad. Oh my god, Dad. Alright, Miss Wonderful. I do believe it was Miss Wonderful. Here's your shot. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thinking about Emily. It's like, God damn it. My dad's a fucking pervert. I can't believe he's saying these things live on stream. Jesus Christ. Look at females. He's showing their butts. My God, what has gotten into him? Oh, down. I don't. Emily, how old are you? 20, right?
I think they were younger.
Well, yeah, okay. You think. I don't care what you think. Hey, as long as they're legal, it's okay in my book. Just because it's the law. first time you ever seen me show a girl's butt on
Are we
the
still
street?
on the butt thing?
Yeah, but
Why?
Why? Because I'm wondering why Emily's so upset that I showed a girl's butt. Because I've showed girls' butts on my stream like a gazillion times. And I will do it continuously.
Okay, well.
Oh,
Good morning.
after all that shit you've been talking.
So she talking is facts.
It's not facts. That's your opinion. Did you check their ID? Did you know them? Did you check the birth certificate? Please, fill me in, because that's what I'd like to know.
Who's upstairs?
No one's upstairs.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, Heather's
X-ray
upstairs.
vision. To check their fucking ID. I don't give a fuck. Why should I? There's nothing wrong with looking. I don't give a fuck, dude. I'm showing you guys what I'm seeing. I show you guys everything I see. This is just another day on the channel. Wherever I go, you guys get to see what I see. Period. That doesn't make me a bad guy because I showed you what was within my field of vision. Plain simple. No, I'm not making fucking man like King Kong mod for 1 day, 1 hour, no nothing. I got the mods I need. I got Miles. I got Emily. But Emily's about to have her moderatorship revoked.